Transferring American Express points to Delta is a great way to book flights and upgrades using your rewards. To start, you need to have an American Express card that earns membership rewards points, such as the Platinum or Gold card. You also need to have a Delta SkyMiles account. First, log into your American Express account and navigate to the Membership Rewards section. Click on the Transfer Points tab and select Delta SkyMiles as the airline partner. You will need to link your Delta SkyMiles account to your American Express account if you have not already done so. Once your accounts are linked, you can transfer your points to Delta. The transfer ratio is 1-to-1, meaning 1 American Express point is equal to 1 Delta SkyMile. You can transfer a minimum of 1,000 points and there is no maximum limit. It is essential to note that transfers are non-reversible, so make sure you want to transfer your points to Delta before confirming the transaction. The transfer process usually takes a few seconds to complete, and your points will be available in your Delta SkyMiles account immediately. To get the most value out of your points, it is best to transfer them when you have a specific redemption in mind, such as booking a flight or upgrade. Delta has a dynamic pricing system, which means the number of points required for a flight can vary depending on the route and travel dates. In general, it is best to use your Delta SkyMiles for economy flights or domestic upgrades. You can also use your points to book flights with Delta partners, such as Air France or KLM. To book a flight using your points, log into your Delta SkyMiles account and search for available award flights. In conclusion, transferring American Express points to Delta is a straightforward process that can help you book flights and upgrades using your rewards. By following these steps and being mindful of the transfer ratio and redemption options, you can get the most value out of your points and enjoy your next flight with Delta.